Hi, my name is Ed. I'm from Burton Boat Sales in Lincoln. Today we're doing a tour of this Merry Fisher 895, which is the very last Series 1 at the factory. So come with me and we'll do a quick tour. Right, let's have a look around this cockpit area. For the benefit of the video, we've just taken the side canopy off, so you can take it off in sections. So we're taking the starboard side off, and as you can see, it opens up the space really well. It means you can get access to this really wide side deck on the starboard side. The deck is asymmetrical, so it's a little bit wider on this side and makes it easier to walk down because you've got this big, wide, high side deck here. Transom gate to make it easier to go out. And as you walk down, sturdy handholds on the roof section also makes it easier to go in and out of the side door. We'll have a look at that as we go inside and have a look way through there. This boat's actually got the option of the forward sun mattress as well. So on days like today when it's really nice and sunny, you really get you can really make the most of that and sit outside and have the benefit of that. In the cockpit area itself, U-shaped seating area. Haven't fitted this one in particular with teak, although it's something we can fit. We've got a workshop which is dead ahead of us there. They can fit anything you'd like. So if you wanted a teak down here, you can have real teak to match the bathing platforms. You can have synthetic teak, whatever you like, and whatever colour you want as well. So if you fancy something a bit different colour-wise, you can do. As I said, this is the last one out of the factory. It's the standard version as opposed to the offshore. What we have done is fitted it with slightly larger engines. So they've got the twin 175 Yamahas as opposed to the traditional 150s, which would normally have been fitted. So if we make our way to the inside now. So spec-wise in here, same as what you'd expect of any sort of 895 really, all the bits and pieces you want. Garmin chart plotter, Fusion for all your music, bow thruster. As I mentioned, you've got the side door here, which is a popular feature on the 895s. Nice and easily slides out, makes it easier to walk forward to the bow section. Seat here, which has got a bolster, so you've got this comes up, so if you want to lean against it. It's not everyone sits down in the seat. A lot of people stand and lean against the bolster. It's completely up to whoever's driving it, to be honest with you, but it does give you that little bit of an option. Galley over to the starboard side. So as you can see, it's brand new, not been touched. So you've got a 2-burner gas hob there. Table over to the port side. This converts to a bed. What we'll do is we'll convert it and we'll put it there, a little bit of an insert into the video so you can see it fully made up. And there'll be pictures on the website showing it made up as well. So the idea being that you just drop this table, put a couple of cushions in, and that gives you another space to sleep, guests, if you want to do that. You've got the dedicated cabins, so that's your main sleeping area, but if you want a couple of extra, bed for kids or grandkids, whatever you want to do, you've got the curtains which go all the way around as well. And then you've got the sunroof, so we've opened because it's really hot today, so it lets a lot of natural air into the boat. Right, let's work way down to the accommodation. So no carpet specifically on this model, on this particular example. But again, something we can fit. I'm not going to sort of focus too much on the side cabin. That's full of cushions and everything like that. But we will insert some photos of that. And then moving up to the forward cabin, so you can see this bed's been made up. If you just lift this up here, it's nice that these are on gas rams actually, because you've got a nice space down here for storage. You can never have too much storage on a boat, so you've got a couple of gas rams there. So it makes it nice and easy to lift. It's not inconvenient too much. And then the option of these overhead lockers, again, just gives you that nice bit of storage as well. Over to the starboard side, got your bathroom arrangement. So you've got a manual toilet, which goes into your holding tank. While we've got the side door open and while we've got the canopy open, actually we'll move away and actually go up to the front foredeck. So it's just a step up and it's not actually something we've fitted yet, but the sun pad will go here. So it stretches across this section here, and it presses down in place, so it secures it. You can see from the port side, you can still make your way up and down there. It's just a little bit on the narrower side. And then underneath this ankle locker here, this just lifts up. So you've got an electric winch there with a remote control. So just thought we'd take the opportunity just to show you the sort of hull of the boat. Most of the time when we do these videos, the boats are lying in the water, so it's something we can't always do. But as you can see, she's chocked up on our walkway here. So as standard from the factory, they just come with bare GRP where it will be anti-fouled. As a matter of course, we anti-foul the bottom of the boat, so we'll etch it, we'll prime it, and then we'll anti-foul it, whatever colour you like really. Generally, it's done in black to match all the canopy. That choice would be yours. See with the bow thruster there as well, and then just moving towards the back, you can see where the outboards are situated. So you see you've just got the 175s, and then you've got the trim tabs there. So I hope that's been helpful. The link to the boat will be in the description of the video, and we'll see you again soon.